The fifth product on this list is the Jobsite Mighty Dry. Soggy shoes, irritating as they are, become even worse with the pungent smell they emit over time. However, thanks to products like Jobsite Mighty Dry, you can keep your kicks dry all the time. This device uses warm fan-forced air to swiftly remove moisture from not just your boots and shoes, but also gloves and garments. Gone are the days of waiting for your footwear to air dry before wearing them. Let's face it, dampness is where funky smells thrive. Fortunately, this gadget acts as your odor superhero, ensuring your gear stays dry and warding off those unpleasant odors. Moreover, its dry times are impressive, a mere 15 minutes to warm up, 30 to 60 minutes for damp shoes, and 1 to 3 hours for wet ones. Plus, there's an automatic shutdown feature that activates after the 3-hour timer, preventing your footwear from over-drying and shrinking. What's most appealing about this unit is its versatility. It's a heavy-duty boot dryer suitable for work boots, hunting boots, boxing gloves, kids' boots, sports shoes, leather boots, rubber boots, hiking boots, ski and snowboard boot liners, winter gloves, and socks. Simply put, if it's wet and needs drying, the Mighty Dry is your ultimate hero. Its pros are: it has odor-fighting capabilities, ensuring fresh-smelling footwear every time. The automatic timer makes for worry-free drying, and it comes with a 2-year warranty. However, its cons are the timer is fixed at 3 hours, it could be longer for certain items, and there's no option to turn off the heat. The Jobsite Mighty Dry is like having a personal drying assistant, and so it is recommended for hikers, hunters, skiers, or anyone who hates putting on damp shoes.